Hello kids, today we will draw some shape. So let's start. First we will draw a circle. Just draw a round shape. Look kids, it's called circle. Now let's draw a triangle. You know what? A triangle have 3 sides and 3 corners. Just draw like me, and look, we draw a triangle. Let's count how many lines we draw. 1, 2, and 3. Well done, now we will draw a square. You know what? A square have 4 lines. It's very easy to color, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job, now let's draw another shape. Let's draw a cute star. Just draw some point angle, like this. You know what? A star have 5-point angle. Just draw like me, and it will look very beautiful. Let's count how many angles it have. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, we draw a cute star. Now let's draw a pentagon. Draw it like you draw the square. You know what is difference between a square and a pentagon? A square have 4 sides, but a pentagon has 5 sides. Good job, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done, let's draw the last shape. Lastly, we will draw a heart shape. It's very easy to draw, just draw a big curve or C shape. Now draw on other side also. Look, we draw a cute heart shape. We complete now the drawing, so let's color it. I'm using red color on circle. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You can use any color you want. It's very easy to color, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Color very carefully, and don't make any mistake. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's color on the triangle. Use orange color on the triangle. Color only inside the triangle. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color very carefully, and don't make any mistake. Well done, it's looking very beautiful. Now use yellow color on square. It's very easy to color, so don't forget to subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Color very carefully, and don't make any mistake. Now it's time to color the star. I'm using green color, but you can use any color you want. Color the corners on star very carefully. Just follow me, and it will look very beautiful. Now let's color the pentagon. Just color all the sides, then carefully color it. For pentagon, I'm using sky blue color. Look how cute it's looking. Well done. Lastly, color on the heart. I'm using pink color. First color the outline, then slowly fill pink color. Just do up and down, and it's done. Look, we color all the shapes. First we draw a circle and color it with red color. We draw the triangle and color it with orange color. We draw square and color it with yellow color. Then we draw a cute star and color it with green color. Draw pentagon and color it with sky blue color. Lastly, we draw a heart, and we color it with pink color. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.